Good morning, traders. What a crazy morning. Oh my goodness, I pressed the wrong button on a stock. We'll go over it here in a second. Before we do that, here's the scanners. You guys already know how I find these stocks every single day. This is how I found IOVA. We got some new packages and deals going on in the description. Go check that out before we get started. Let's get into it. Okay, traders, IOVA today, just beautiful setup. Pulled up on the scanners, saw it, absolutely was going to take it. Here's the daily chart. I'll pull that down for you guys. Had tough resistance marked at 1550. I'll show you that on the daily. RSI, you guys see it way over a 70, overblown there. Just exactly what I look for every single day. Then we have this line drawn, of course. All this resistance, see all these upper shadows. All throughout 1550, lower shadows when it turned into support. So 1550 was going to be tough. It ended up breaking it, which oftentimes these do. They'll break it and then end up retracing that move, just coming right back underneath it. The same thing with 200-day break, 50-day break, this sort of deal. IOVA, I'll show you my chart, guys. Man, this would have been a really nice day. I'm really frustrated because of it. I'm not even going to go back and watch my live trade because I was so mad. I don't think you guys want to see that. Well, maybe you do. But IOVA, here is the chart on it today. I'm just starting these a little too early, and not only that, my two ads here were way too close to each other. I should have only had 3 ads and eliminated this one entirely. These two were bigger size there. I should have added only 3 times and just these 3. And also, I'm still starting these a little prematurely. I need them to work for me a little bit. Here's the problem. You see this first cover right here, this green arrow? Well, I went back and looked at my positions. I had 325 shares total on IOVA. I had 325 shares, and I was wanting to cover 200 shares. That would have left me with 125 shares remaining. Where was that at? About 1550. I was going to let those ride down here. That would have been an easy $100. I would have had a pretty nice day today, $150, $60 day today, had I not screwed that up, guys. Man, I messed that up. So I went back and I was like, what did I do? Because right after I covered that position, I was left with 26 shares. And I absolutely know I would not leave leftovers of 26 shares. I tried to get rid of 200. I was trying to get rid of about 65, 70% of my shares. So I pulled up my shares here, and it says I covered 299 shares at 1554, and I was like, goodness gracious, guys. The 9 and the 0 are so close to each other on the keyboard. I think I just pressed the 9 twice accidentally and covered and didn't even really look at it. I was just getting so excited to take a partial there. I just took a partial and I accidentally pressed the 9s instead of the 0s. It is embarrassing, and I'm really frustrated about that because this would have been a really nice trade. This is exactly what I've been looking for, and I haven't necessarily seen it the last couple days. This is just so ideal. This overextension to resistance, going parabolic out of the gates, overextended on the RSI, just everything. The aces, the pocket pair aces, baby, and I screwed it up. I've learned one thing when trading, and you're always upset about something every single day. It's like old people playing golf. You're never going to be happy with your performance. There's always something. But today, it is really irritating. I left so much on the table here. I'm just so what I did was I added 100 shares right here at 1560, and then it flushed a little bit more, and I just took the profits there just to get my position back. But then I took it too early, just the emotions, because my average is now awful, and I didn't want to lose the profits that I just made, chasing this stock down. So it's just frustrating day, traders. IOVA, this one ended up being perfect. I traded it well. Poor performance on the front side. These ads are too close to each other. These two were good. I just need to spread them apart more and maybe not start so early. And then these covers, that was just such a mistake. Frustrating day, but it is what it is. Could have been a really nice day here today. I'll get it tomorrow. Guys, let me know how you did in the comment section below. And traders, if you haven't yet, smack that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys, and we will see you all first thing tomorrow.